And Ms. Gillis, do you have this file? You're muted, Ms. Gillis. I muted you because you were talking.
Okay, we don't make files all the time on, this is Richard Rocco, right?
Correct.
We don't always make files on these.
No, that's fine. I'm just asking you if you know what it is.
I just know it's reckless driving. I just wanted to know, do you have a driving record?
I do not.
Nope.
I don't have any tickets in the last 10 years.
I don't have
directed at
anything
you,
on
Mr.
it. I have a
Rocco.
driving record that has nothing on it. Do you want to go in a breakout room with Mr. Backos?
Yeah, or I can offer careless.
May we go to a breakout room, please, Judge?
Okay.
Right, rejoin breakout room number 2, Ms. Gillis.
Yep.
Hi, Judge.
Yeah, sorry it ended. Did you guys need me to start it again?
Nope.
No, Judge, I think we're okay. Judge, may I have a breakout room with my client very
Yeah.
briefly?
Absolutely. I'm going to, can you just rejoin room number 2, Mr. Backus, and I'll send your client there.
Yes, doing that now, Your Honor.
Okay, good. Mr. Coleman,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
Do you have an attorney?
No, I don't.
Okay, Miss Gillis, People versus Tori Coleman, drunk driving with the driving on suspended. I have Mr. Jadala on that can talk to you. Is there an offer on this?
Yes, there is. It's impaired. Drop everything else.
Mr. Jadala, do you hear that? For Mr. Coleman, it's a operating while intoxicated and a driving on suspended, and the offer is impaired.
I heard it, Judge. You could put us in a breakout room.
I'm going to send you to breakout room number 3. Mr. Coleman, all you're going to have to do is hit join and you can talk to the court appointed attorney.
Okay.
Excuse me, how do I get to the breakout room with Nick?
You should have, if you touch the screen, you should be able to hit rejoin breakout room number 2.
Breakout room number 2.
Yep. You see it? Let's see if I move you to breakout. Oh, yeah, you got it. Okay.
Love you too, dude.
Mr. Vaccos, did you have an opportunity to talk to your client?
I did, Your Honor. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. My client, I think we do have a resolution in this case whereby my client will plead responsible to an added civil infraction count of careless driving, and that the charged reckless driving count will be dismissed, and he stands ready to take that plea.
And it's a $200 ticket. Mr. Rocco, can you pay that within 30 days?
Yes,
And you understand that by pleading responsible to this added count, that you're giving up your right to have a trial of anything, and that you're pleading responsible in this matter?
yes.
I'm gonna amend it to careless, assess the $200, make a notation that you're to pay it within 30 days. You can mail it in, you can pay it online, or you can come live and pay it in person, okay?
Yep, through the city of Romulus, right?
At the court, correct?
Yes, sorry.
Yep.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. All right, you're all set. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Your Honor.
Thanks.
Thanks, Nick.
You're welcome.
Mr. Jadala, did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Coleman?
I did, Your Honor. And Your Honor, at this time, we're going to respectfully request an adjournment and that the plea offer be held open. I just need a brief time to get discovery and review that with Mr. Coleman.
Mr. Coleman, I'm going to set this matter over for an adjourned pretrial to May the 5th at 9:30. Are you staying on this, Mr. Jadala?
Yes, Judge, I believe that's how it's working now. So yes, I
Okay.
would, yes.
All right, and that'll be back with me on May the 5th.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and so you'll call back in, Mr. Coleman, at 9:30 on the 5th of May, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Bye.
Hello?
Good morning, Mr. Mamet, or good afternoon. Do you have Mr. McKinney with you, or is he joining separate?
I don't have him with me. I wanted to talk to the prosecutor first.
Yep, no, that's fine. I can put you in a breakout room with Miss Gillis.
Okay.
Oh, is this just a formal? I apologize. I
Yeah.
was looking at the file above that, which has a pretrial on it. Miss Gillis. Miss Gillis.
Sorry, I'm trying to get these exams all
I have
organized.
Mr. Mamet on. It's a formal hearing for David McKinney. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him.
Okay,
Okay.
Rejoin room number 2, Miss Gillis, and I'll send him there.
okay.
Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Mamet. Mr. Skaggs, who do you represent?
I'm here on behalf of Recycle Waste Services, or RWS. It's scheduled for 11:40.
I got it. I just put the prosecutor in a breakout room on another case. As soon as she gets back, I'll let you talk to her and I'll pull the
Okay.
file right now.
Okay, thank you,
Just
Your Honor.
hang out for a minute.
Yep.
Hello?
Hi. I don't know where. If
All
the
right,
judge-
did you work it out with Mr. Mamet?
Okay, does the driving record indicate he has anything on his record?
No.
Okay, then it's double parking, Mr. Mamet.
Thank you.
And it looks like he already paid 170. I'll apply the 170 to the double parking and you're all set.
Thank you.
All right,
Okay.
yep. I have Mr. Skaggs on here for RWS. Do you want me to put you in a breakout room with him?
Sure.
All right. Rejoin number 2 and I will send him there.
Okay.
Calling the case of People versus RWS. Ms. Gillis, do you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Skaggs?
Yes, we're gonna dismiss the 2 tickets except for the no proof and the registration plate. He says he has insurance now. We're gonna give 20% off on the overweight ticket. I didn't know what the amount was.
The amount is $43.42. So it is $34.74.
Sounds good.
Payable within 30 days.
Sure.
Is that Mr. Skaggs?
Yeah,
$34.74 payable within 30 days.
Yes, Your Honor, that'll be fine. I'll let my client know.
Okay, it's 3474,
Okay,
and I'll dismiss the other cases. Thank
All right.
you.
thank you.
Ms. Chapman, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Miss Gillis, I have Rebecca Chapman. It's a driving on suspended. Mr. Jadala, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge, I can
And-
hear you. I'm sorry.
And the offer, Miss Gillis.
Hold on. What time was that one at?
On Chapman, it is set at, I don't know. Hang on, I'm looking.
Yeah.
Was this an add-on that I didn't?
No, 1150.
Got it. Driving while license suspended. How's her record look?
Yeah, do you want me to give you the new driving record and you can look at it and figure it out, Miss Gillis? Her
Oh,
new
it's under
driving
the,
record, so
oh yeah, we got a whole.
she does have existing suspensions still.
Okay, you know what? Let's just give her, I'm gonna give her allowing unlicensed. Because sometimes those people get so caught up in just,
Well, and they're moving towards making this a civil infraction anyway, so I agree with that. Mr. Jadala, did you hear allowing unlicensed, so it would be 445.
I got it.
Ms. Chapman, I'm going to assign you to a breakout room. Go ahead and join, and Mr. Jadala will, Mr. Jadala, if you rejoin number 3, I'll send her there. And go ahead and join Ms. Chapman. Good morning, Mr. Burton Harris. How are you?
Good morning, Judge. Haven't seen you in a while. How are you?
I know, I'm good. What are you here for?
I was jumping on. Me and Ms. Gillis had a conversation about the exam for Mr. Ron Webb scheduled for today at 2:15.
Okay,
And I was wondering if you would allow me and Mr. Webb to appear via Zoom. I'm fairly confident that the complainant is not going to be
That's fine.
showing up for this.
no, I want you here live. You can't.
Look, you'll be surprised. I had a judge just a couple weeks ago who just was upset that she had to be there, so she was making everybody appear.
Well, and I will tell you that the Supreme Court does not agree with that.
I know.
That is not our mandate. That is not our marching orders, and that I would encourage people to complain if judges ignore the ability to do things remotely. That's my comment,
Okay.
because I think that that's not right. It is what it
agree.
is.
I agree with you. So I'll have Mr. Webb is aware, so we'll just.
All
Zoom
right,
in at-
perfect.
at
Yep,
2:15.
call in and we'll do it one way or another. But if she shows, I take it. If we don't, you're agreeing to do the exam by Zoom or something.
Yes.
I don't want to.
Yes.
I don't want to
yes.
end up that you go, oh no, wait, I wanted it live. These
Right. No. If
spots are precious.
if the complainant does come, we'll either go forward with it on Zoom or we'll
Perfect.
waive it.
That's all. I trusted that was going to be your. There are some attorneys that would pull that with me. I didn't think that you were one of them.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you at 2:15.
All right. See you then. Thank you.
Yep, Mr. Jadala on Ms. Chapman.
Your Honor, Ms. Chapman would like to avail herself to the plea of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. She
And
understands.
you know,
the
you
rights
have a
she's
couple
waiving.
of other cases that are set for a pretrial on June the 3rd, Ms. Chapman.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Just making sure. I don't have listed who that's with, but do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it true that on or about September the 6th of 2019, you were in the city of Belleville and you allowed an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle that you were in.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna have to go backwards and back it out because there's some late fees that are inclusive in this, but the total is gonna be $445. That includes the late fees, the state costs and everything in total. Can you have that paid within 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna write pay within 30 days and you can either pay it online, you can pay it live at the court, or you can mail it in, okay? And I see that you already paid your clearance on this file.
Yes, ma'am. I did. They did let me have my driver's license.
Yep,
back.
I see that. So do you have a license then?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Yeah, then why does it list, your driving record says that you're still. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go through this driving record that Mr. Jadala, because my opinion on what this says, because it says, no, I guess maybe, okay, I see. I got it. Never mind. I'm gonna pull her file to the side so that I can look at the driving record, because this is the first, I've seen examples, but I haven't seen, could you know, Mr. Jadala, that the Secretary of State changed the way, the format on the driving record?
Well, you guys also told me that because until this court date, I could not get it back from before COVID.
Uh-huh.
So they said that they would allow me to get my license if I
Yeah,
paid.
I saw that. I saw that, but I saw other suspensions, but when I look at it closer, I see the terminations of the suspension. It's just they changed the formatting, so it's completely different. So what I used to look at isn't what I'm looking at now, so it's, but we got it. All
All
right,
Yeah, we
Thank
just
good.
got
you
an
so
email
much.
on that.
Yeah, yeah, wait till you see it. It's fun stuff. So, all right, you're all set, Miss Chapman. Don't forget about your pretrial on June the 3rd, okay?
Okay, thank you very
All
much.
right,
I
thanks.
appreciate
All right, yep,
it. You have a great day.
you too. Mr. Jadala, I have you listed on Coretta Express.
That's correct. It's
Are
a
you
retained case.
Are you expecting them?
I am not. I was going to talk with the prosecutor at the end of the docket.
Okay.
I didn't want to interrupt.
Well, I'll do
anything.
it right now because we don't have anybody anyway. So on Coretta, Miss Gillis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Jadala.
Okay, great.
Actually, I'm just gonna move you to 3, Jane. Go ahead and hit join.
Okay.
Mr. Zajdel, what case are you on?
Good morning, Your Honor. My case number is,
Don't give me the case number. What? Oh, I see your name. I got it. Do you have an
Okay.
attorney?
that's actually, Your Honor, before I was able to pay the retainer for my attorney went out of office.
I have a court appointed that I'll let you talk to today.
Thank you, Your Honor. I
Okay,
appreciate
so
it.
just hang out. He's actually in the breakout room with the prosecutor and I'll put you in a breakout room with them next. So just give us a couple minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're back.
Hello?
All right, yeah, did you have enough time or did it cut you off?
We're
We're
fine.
good, Judge.
People versus Carretta Express.
Jane Gillis on behalf of the people. Your Honor, we've offered to dismiss all 3 charges in exchange for a plea to 3 double parkings.
$200 each, Mr. Jadala.
Having the authority to do so, we do so, Judge.
I'll amend all 3. It's total of 600 payable 30 days. Is that fine?
Yep.
Not you, him. Is
Oh.
that fine, Mr. Jadala, 30
Yes,
days?
Judge.
Okay, then I'll do that. I
Understood,
have
Judge.
Mr. Zajdel on here, who is set at noon. Miss Gillis, it's a crime report, malicious destruction, assault and battery. He does not have an attorney. I'm gonna have him speak to Mr. Jadala.
Set at noon?
It is set at noon, correct?
What's the name?
ZAJDEL, 1150. I apologize.
God, you really messed. Okay, got it. Well, I don't got it, but I know what you're talking. Dang. Are you gonna, is that Sam's case?
It's going to be. Oh, I lost him. I don't know where he went.
Okay.
Those got to go to Michelle.
Okay.
I don't know what happened to him.
Mhm.
Let me message him. All right, he's joining right now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Judge. I just logged in with a newer device. My other
Yeah, no
device-
problem. I just said to Jane, he was just here. I don't know where he went. All right, okay, now we have Mr. Zajdel who said it, 1150 on a crime report, malicious destruction and assault and battery. And he wants to talk to you, or I'm gonna have him talk to you, Mr. Jadala.
Is there any
Ms.
offers, Judge?
Gillis,
Yes?
is there an offer?
No, you know what? We're gonna have to adjourn this one, Sam. I need to maybe call a victim on this. I don't
Then
know
I'll talk with my
why.
client and let him know what's going on.
Okay.
Let me put you in a breakout room with him, Mr. Jadala, for a minute. If you want to get his contact information, please.
Absolutely.
Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Zajdal.
Okay.
Mr. Zajdal, can you give me a cell phone number and an email for the file? I don't know
Yes.
why they didn't get it from you at arraignment.
Of course, Your Honor. My phone number is as follows: 313-671-8586.
And an email?
Email address is my Justin, Justin, period, Zidel, Z as in zebra, AJDEL, @gmail.com.
Mr. Jadala?
And Your Honor, at this time, we're also respecting, requesting a final pre-trial on this matter in discovery. I believe the prosecutor has also said she'd like to contact the complaining witnesses in this matter.
Right.
On May the 5th at 10:45,
Okay.
and that'll be back in my Zoom, sir.
Thank you. May 5th, 10:45.
Correct. All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Have a great day. That was Jadala, right?
Judge, on that Coretta Express, did you have a case number for that retained matter?
Do I
It's
have
the
a
one
case number?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
one
a
of,
ticket?
it's S3837249 A, B, and C.
And was there, on the ticket, was there a driver's name besides the Coretta Express, the company name?
Michelle, do you have that file still? Can I get it back?
I apologize, Judge.
No, that's okay. On his retained file, which was Coretta. Mr. Jadala.
Is that in here? Hopefully, raise retained.
It's not in there.
Okay,
I'll put it on there.
just write retained, so I know. 'Cause I'll put appointed.
Oh, no, she has him that he's listed as she has his appearance.
But he's retained.
No, but it would say MIDC on
Yeah,
it.
okay. Got it.
I'm sorry, you asked about a driver, Mr. Jadala?
Yeah, usually on the ticket, there's a
I
driver.
know, I understand. Yeah, the driver is SEMENIUK, last name BOLODYMR. Or I don't know, actually, if actually, the VOL is actually his first name, I think.
BOLODYMR.
VOLODYMR, yep, last name SEMENIUK.
Thank you.
Yep, thanks. Miss Gillis? Miss Gillis, I muted you. Miss Gillis. Miss Gillis, are you there? Miss Gillis,
I'm here.
my understanding is that Mr. Perlman on Holland case wants, he also, that he wants to do it by Zoom. How many witnesses do you have?
Hold on. I have that, but I need to talk to him ahead of time.
Michelle, get his phone number for Miss Gillis.
I
He's
have
on
to
the
tell-
phone with Michelle right now, so we'll get you the phone number.
I have like two, and I'm gonna be adding counts on. That's why I wanted to talk to him. I mean, I can add counts on now that we know.
Okay, well, we'll get you a phone number. Michelle, bring it down to you in just a minute.
Green.
Sir, what case are you on?
I'm sorry. I'm on case number
No,
one.
give me your last name.
It's Accurate Installation.
I got you. Do you have that file? And who are you on behalf of Accurate Installation?
I'm the owner, David
Okay,
Roder.
Miss Gillis, do you have the file? Do you have it's set at noon?
No, but I don't know if he can represent his own company.
That's, in the first place, that's not your objection to make at this moment. But is it a DBA? What is it, sir?
It's for a ticket of improper.
No. What is Accurate Installation? Is what's the legal, what is the legal entity?
It's a LLC.
Miss Gillis, go in a breakout room and talk to him anyway. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 3 with Miss Gillis.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Robinson, what case are you on?
Hi, Judge. I'm trying to figure that out. I'm on Jason Williams.
Do you have Mr. Williams with you?
He's in my conference room. Yeah.
Okay, go grab him because I have live exams that are starting and this was set at 11:30.
Well, Judge, I'm sorry. I was in Judge Martin's waiting room because I have another state case that the notice said was Judge Martin. So,
Yeah, that you're not the first person that's told me that this morning. I don't know what the screw up was.
so
But Miss Gillis is in a breakout room with another defendant. Who else do you have besides Mr. Williams?
IKPAH, IKPAH.
And do you have him with you too?
I got to tell him to go into yours now because he was waiting.
All right, well, tell him right now because I have live exams that start in 15 minutes.
Thanks, Judge.
hang on one moment.
No problem.
All right, Ms. Gillis, on accurate insulation.
Okay, I'm talking to Mr. Perlman, but the deal is he's getting that stuff. He's sending his check, to rectify the situation. The state has cashed his check, but he hasn't gotten the stuff back. I recommended he make an appointment with the state and come back, and if it's rectified and he has the information, it will be dismissed.
Okay, so you want me to adjourn it to, I have a May 15th date at 8:45.
That sounds good.
Okay,
And will I get notified, an email or anything?
yeah, let me see, can I get a cell phone number and an email from you?
734-395-3849.
And an email.
Dave.Roeder, ROEDER at accurate-insulation.com. And it was May 15th.
It is, it's May the 15th at 8:45.
Perfect.
All right,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
If you
Ms.
see Kim-
Gillis? Yeah, I
Yeah.
got, hang on, I'm checking my waiting room. Hang on a second.
No
Okay,
problem.
I'm just trying to talk to Mr. Perlman about this. No, I haven't added him on yet. I don't think so. Just go to trial on this. They're not gonna find the people. I mean, they can find them. They're out of state though. They're not gonna fly people in for a paper case. They are people. They are actual people. Because they investigated it.
Mr. Roeder, you're all set. Ms. Gillis, I have Mr. Robinson on a drunk driving pretrial that we need to do.
I'm okay to leave, right?
You're
Yeah.
okay to leave. Yep, correct.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Okay, bye.
You too.
Thank you.
Ms. Gillis?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm trying to talk to Mr. Perlman and whatever. Okay, got it.
We have Mr. Robinson on with his client, Jason Williams.
Hi, Steve.
Hey, Jane, how are you?
Good.
Good.
And is there, this is a drunk driving, is there an offer on this?
What's your client's name, Steve?
I got to it. I have Jason Williams sitting with me right now.
Got it. Oh, that's operating while intoxicated first.
Right,
It's, the offer's always impaired.
okay. Judge, we're inclined to take that offer. Oh, Jane, by the way, I did get the police report through Belleville. So that evidence.com thing got too complicated for me, but anyway. Judge, I'm kind of making a maybe an unorthodox request. Mr. Williams has a wedding he has to drive to up north in 2 weeks. He's standing up in that wedding.
I'm not gonna stop him from going to a wedding.
Oh, no, I'm not. Yeah, I told him that, but once we take this plea, he's going to be suspended and restricted for the next 90 days, which means
For impaired?
for the impaired.
Yeah, you get a restricted driver's license.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to cause an embarrassment to him because he has to take his family there and he won't be able to drive. So we're
No,
gonna,
you can stop talking, Mr. Robinson. I'm going to set him up with probation. We'll take the plea at sentencing. Give
awesome.
me, I have his telephone numbers 313-450-8161.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
And an email.
It's J, D as in David, U, B as in boy, B as in boy, S 1985@gmail.com.
All right, probation will be in contact with you and she'll talk to you, give a pre-sentence and everything, and we'll take the plea and sentence him on the same day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Williams, probation will be in contact with you. Your client, is this Mr. Iqbal?
Yes, Honorable.
Ms. Gillis, Mr. Robinson also represents Mr. Iqbal, which is set at the same time. It's a PBT refusal, and it looks like it's charged, as an operating while intoxicated.
And again, the offer is impaired.
Do you need a breakout room with your client, Mr. Robinson?
I do. Jane, would the PBT be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Judge, if I could.
And the gentleman that just joined us on the iPhone, can you tell me what your last name is?
Shodapur.
No. Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Robinson and Mr. Iqbal. Now, the gentleman on the iPhone, what's your last name?
Shodapur.
Akindu?
Akintunde.
Oh, I apologize. I'm gonna butcher it again, probably too.
No problem.
Ms. Gillis, you see it on the docket. It's at 12:10. Last name Shodapu.
Yep.
Shodapur.
Yeah, I see it. I have not called victims. So maybe you should talk to Sammer.
Mr. Jadala, are you on? I have, he's on at 12:10. It's an assault and battery. Is there any offer, Ms. Gillis? Ms. Gillis?
Yeah, I don't have an offer yet, Mr. Jadala, but it's assault and battery. Maybe we want to.
Problem that I have with that is it was set in February. It's adjourned. The case is a year old.
Your Honor, I'll probably set it for a final pretrial if that's okay with everybody.
Yeah, I mean, it's, well, I need, or I guess I have contact information from him. Then I guess I'll adjourn it one time, but Mr. Jadala, I'll entertain a motion if the prosecutor can't, I mean, these
That's fine.
cases. I'll adjourn it today to the May 15th at 9 a.m.
That will be for a final pretrial where everyone.
That's a
must appear,
final
Judge?
pretrial.
What date was that again? I'm sorry, Judge.
May the 15th at 9 a.m. Mr. Shoda, but I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him so you can talk to him,
Perfect, thank you.
okay? Mr. Shodapal,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna have you talk to the court-appointed attorney.
Okay.
What I just do with you. Go ahead and hit join.
Okay.
Because either
Hang
one
on.
of them asked.
Hello?
Judge, I told him he could leave. Is that okay?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, okay, so you got you got his stuff, and then that May 15th, all right?
Correct, Judge.
Okay, thanks.
Are you there, Judge? Can you hear me?